It will come out.
You're fucking better.
Yeah. Well, this guy's not getting paid. Will I walk to the water's edge? Flew my baby in the sea. Watched it drown in the pearly waves. Ain't nothing left round here for me. There's a road leading out of town. It goes right up to your door. And I will never take that road again. For I don't love you anymore, baby. Left alone, we all go falling down the street. Some kind of cavalcade of fear. How to get back? How can one possibly begin? When the end's always so near. Though I know that the sun must rise again, shining on the nothing new. As he screams in the filthy street, hide away before he turns his blade on you, baby. I hear the bells, hear the engines overhead. I hope my day is coming soon. Yeah, when it does, I will be waiting by my door with 50 roses and my same old tune. On the road I go, swinging high and low in my first rodeo. See, I know where this one goes. I will leave this world behind. Burn it all, boys, I won't mind. And I thank God that I never know on my last rodeo. Something strange, something horrible is falling softly from the the sky. Give me strength to take off my chain and let me live before I die. Baby, so lift me up, my brother. Give me doses on the hour. Give me life without parole. You know I'm still in love with all these million ways to spend. All of this iron rattling in my soul. Down the road I go, swinging high and low in my first rodeo. Say I know how this one goes. I will leave this world behind. Burn it all, boys, I won't mind. Now thank God that I never know. On my last road I go, swing high and low. There is no more road. You're still hoping beyond hope. You would leave this world behind. You could cast it from your useless mind, and I thank God that I'll never know. On my last Thank you.